Founded in 1929, the firm set the standard for reliability, quality, and responsiveness to customer needs. Over the decades, the firm prospered and today is world's largest manufacturer of arc welding equipment. As a premier national company, its legacy storage solutions had outlived their life cycles and no longer provided the performance and reliability the company required. Working with a trusted value-added reseller in QSAN, the world's largest welding equipment manufacturer met its data protection with QSAN solutions. All data generated at its headquarters are now safely backed up. The QSAN XS5224D storage system and XT5324D JBOD affordably offer nearly half a petabyte of capacity, ensuring the company's needs will be met well into the future. QSAN solutions offer a terrific value proposition. They're protecting all of our data both at our headquarters and across our enterprise, and they're doing so economically.